Owning a private jet is considered the ultimate luxury, but, of course, to do so, you need deep pockets. Fortunately for some owners, money is no object. There is something special about owning your own aircraft. It gives you the freedom to design its interiors, to employ aircrew that you trust, and you know that the jet will always be available if you choose to plan a spontaneous getaway. And guys, in today's video, we will be showing you some of the most expensive private jets in the world. Without further ado, let's begin. Bombardier Global 7000, $73 million. The Bombardier Global 7000 is the fourth release from the brand, promising an upgraded and elevated private jet in every sense. Thought to be one of the most capable and expensive private jets in the air, it's got an incredibly long range and is capable of flying non-stop from distances like Sydney to San Francisco or New York to Dubai. It's one with a slightly different color palette to most private jets, offering a range of white and burgundy shades rather than the traditional cream. Those looking to buy one can customize from top to bottom, with each plane holding space for up to 19 passengers. Boeing 737, $80 million. The Boeing 737 is a Boeing business jet with a difference. It's one that doesn't go out of its way to be flashy, instead preferring to stick to traditional interiors, privatized. Each of the private jets comes with everything you need for a journey through the skies, including an office, bedroom, entertainment areas, and more. To the untrained eye, it looks just like any commercial plane, but spacious rooms, subtle lighting designed to combat jet lag, and wide, leather armchairs ensure an experience like no other. Instead of a standard plane seat, these are lined with soft sofas and plump cushions, which means window seats all around. Airbus ACJ319 Neo, $100 million. The Airbus ACJ319 Neo, or Airbus corporate jet, was designed not for one person in particular, but instead for anyone looking to charter a private plane on a temporary basis. The Airbus ACJ319 Neo is the newest release from the brand's line of charter-friendly private jets, with elevated interiors and exteriors designed for a seamless experience. It's thought to be one of the best private jets for feeling like you're on the ground, which means less dry air, muscle fatigue, and all those other sky-high symptoms. But, of course, it still comes with stunning views out the windows before you touch down. Gulfstream III, $125 million. Multiple celebrities own a Gulfstream III private jet, but Tyler Perry is the most well-known. The American actor and director's private jet comes equipped with more technology than in most homes, including a 42-inch HD TV, multiple Blu-ray players, another satellite TV, theater lighting to accommodate those in-flight movies, and electronically controlled window shades for when you're ready for a nap. Portable HD screens are also available, as well as docking stations for playing music and ports for setting up video games. Tyler Perry also owns a private island, which may be where his private jet spends a lot of time. If you are enjoying the video, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos just like this. Boeing 767-33A/ER, $170 million. Called a flying mansion and filled with enough rooms and facilities to more than justify such a nickname, Roman Abramovich's private jet also goes by the name The Bandit, thanks to its slanting black stripes by the window of the cockpit. It's larger than life, with not only rooms for sleeping and relaxing, but also a banquet hall for 30 people. It's also one of the safest private jets, equipped with the same kind of anti-missile systems found in the Air Force One. Gold plating and gold trimmings can be spotted from the bedroom all the way through to the full kitchen. Boeing 747-430, $220 million. Wash basins made out of solid gold and lilac crystal is just the start when it comes to this no-expense-spared level of luxury inside the Sultan of Brunei's private jet. Thought to be the richest monarch in the world, he spent around $100 million through Lufthansa and then spent another $120 million to furnish the aircraft to his tastes. It's one with a little more color than other private jets, like oversized teal armchairs and unique patterned floors. This isn't the only private jet the Sultan owns, he has at least a couple more, but this is his largest. Boeing 787-8 BBJ, $325 million. The BBJ is the Boeing 787-8. BBJ stands for Boeing Business Jet, and it's designed to impress, with enough power to fly 18 hours without refueling. Spotted first at the Dubai Air Show, the luxury plane is sleek and suave, with all the features necessary for a more than comfortable journey. It's mostly used by China-based H&A Group, but can also be chartered for private use for an estimated $70,000 per hour. Known as the Dream Jet, it's decked out with a welcoming lobby, a bedroom with full walk-in wardrobe, a master bathroom, and undoubtedly one of the largest showers you'll ever find in the air. Airbus ACJ350 Custom, $366 million. The ACJ350 is more of a home in the sky than it is a simple mechanism for transport. An initial look puts this luxury private jet in the region of $366 million, but that's before you take into account all of the added extras, including bespoke interior design. Carefully curated by Lufthansa Technik, interiors here were estimated to come to an extra $150 million more, making the private jet sit more in the region of $500 million from start to finish. On board, there are 4 bedrooms as well as a guest lounge, full galley, and a formal dining area that seats 8. Boeing 747-8 VIP, $367 million. Even though the Boeing 747-8 VIP's owner is unknown, a fair amount is known about their plane. One of the largest jets in the world, it's capable of making even Air Force One look tiny in comparison. With a huge 4,786 square feet of space, it's a private jet converted from passenger plane to curated luxury, with a stateroom, lounges, an office, and a large dining room more than fit for entertaining. Interiors are neutral and toned down, redesigned by Cabinet Alberto Pinto specifically to the owner's tastes. Even though it's easy to find photos of this luxury private jet, you'll never see photos of people lounging around on those sofas or tucked up asleep in its bedrooms. Airbus A340300, $500 million. Russian billionaire Alisher Usmanov is the proud owner of the Airbus A340300, a plane usually reserved for long-haul journeys thanks to its quiet cabin and relaxed onboard conditions. Bigger than President Vladimir Putin's personal aircraft, this luxury private jet features some seriously luxe interiors, including buttery soft leather seats and spacious bedrooms. As well as the initial cost for the plane, Usmanov spent a further $170 million on decorating the interiors to his high standards. It's a private plane prepared for long distances, with a range of 13,699 kilometers, or about the distance of flying from Moscow to Tokyo. So guys, let me know down in the comments section below, which one of them is the most luxurious one. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.